Next, under details section, we have password policy. Come to password policy team. So whenever you create any user account in this category, what should be the password rules? See here team, edit it. Then we have here, see password policy, days before password expiration, 120. Now only I have shown you our Pramod.TrioTech. Yesterday I created the account, right? Now when I go to the account, the password expiration date triggered starting from yesterday. If you count team, 120th day, September 2nd, 2026 means 120 days from yesterday. This is coming from here. So here we can set up team, whether client wants 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, or 150 days, 160 days, what client limit. According to your client requirement, you can configure. For all the accounts in the system, when they get created, the time frequency follows accordingly. So most of the time, client will go 90 days policy in real time. But that again depends upon client to client. Let's say your client telling simply, Kumar, we don't have any expiration concept. Once the account is created, they can use it for lifetime till they submit the resignation. Then how, Kumar? Give some bigger number like this. 9999. If I go to calc, okay, 9999 I'm giving. Divided by 365 days per year. 27.5 years almost. That many years who will work in the company? Huh? So give some bigger number team. Days before password expiration. So till that many days, password will not expire. But if client have a policy, Kumar, every 30 days, my users have to reset their password as part of their security refreshment, or 40 days, 45 days, then you can give it accordingly team. I'm giving 90 days here. Not only that, what my client expecting, Kumar, 90 days is what my policy, Kumar. But from 10 days before password expiry warning. So 90 days is password expiry. 10 days before to that, Kumar, or 15 days before to that, Kumar. Now I'm giving 10 days. Means from 80th day, system should start sending the warning notifications. The user will get in the bell icon and also in his email ID team. System will be sending the warning notification. Your password is about to expire in next 10 days, in next 9 days, in next 8 days, like that. So if client expecting that warning notification, how many days before the expiry? 10 days before, 15 days before, 5 days before. So until unless he reset the password, from that point of time, every day, system will send the warning notifications to the user team. Then finally, hours before, now 90th day came. So last 2 hours before the final reminder, about to expire. So 2 hours before the final day, you want systems to send the notification to the user that you can set up team. So these things are related to expiration and expiration warning notifications in the system. Then here, password complexity. This is what team. Whenever we creating the user account, or not only there, whenever the admin resetting the password also. See, if I go to reset password button here, password policies is simple coming, because in this category level, password complexity is simple chosen. Simple means minimum 8 characters, 1 digit. If I choose complex, one uppercase to be included along with them. Then very complex, then one special character. If you want custom combination team, you choose how many minimum characters, how many minimum uppercase, how many minimum lowercase, minimum digits. That all you can able to give accordingly team. Okay. So now I'm choosing, let's say, very complex. Save and close. Save and close. Now see the behavior in the front end. Okay. Whenever I try to create any new user account in that default user category, okay, in the default user category, see the password complexity here now. Very complex. Policy changed or any existing account also in the system. Now if I go to resetting of that, see now, complexity here, very complex scheme. I have to follow this rule team. So that coming from this password policy complexity. Now I'm putting it back to the simple team. Okay. Next, disallow last password. See, every 90 days, I'm setting up the password expiration. So the concerned user have to reset the password or else the password will expire. If it expire, user can't log in. Again, HR admin should come to user account. They have to manually reset and they have to share the password team. Whenever the concerned user resetting the password, do you want to allow his old password to use again? For example, team, currently my password is test@123. Now 90 days came, I'm resetting the password. Resetting time also, I'm giving the same old password, test@123. Will system allow? That is what. If I uncheck, system will allow. But if I checkbox this one, disallow means don't allow last password. If I checkbox team, not only immediate last, the current password, any old passwords what employee used in the system, he cannot repeat that. Every time he should choose the new combination of the passwords in the system. But if I uncheck this one, system do allow that, right? Then team administrator can manually reset password in security console. See, currently as a admin, if they want to reset any user account password, they can come to action button, reset password, and they have the option, right? Manual option. They can select manually and they can select the password, right? Team here. But now see here, admin can manually reset. I'm switching off. Save and close. Now see what happens in the system. At my default user category level, admin resetting password, I switched off. Now see what happens, team. Let me refresh and do it again. Let me refresh and do it again. Come here, reset password. It's gone. Manual option gone. I can't able to select it. It's freezed. See, as an admin, we can't reset the password anymore to the account. So this controlling also will be there at the category level in password policy. Edit. Now I'm putting back team. Admin can manually reset the password. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now see here. If I cancel it, then if I come to actions button, reset password, now that will come back again. Now I can select that option and I can do that thing. So these all things, the user account rules customization, we can achieve through this default category team. Next, we have notifications. So we have different notifications in the security module. As I told you yesterday, whenever any new user account created, system will send welcome email. Or whenever any user want to request for the username, forgot password, system will send the email. So here the notification control will be their team.